Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. Today we are doing Taj Mahal drawing using white color pencil and white oil pastel. Let's start our work. I'm taking a scale, and I'm drawing a line from 0 till 21 centimeter horizontally. I'm using directly white pencil. I'm not using a normal pencil. If you feel that it's a little difficult for you, you can just go ahead with the normal pencil and then retrace it with the white pencil. After doing this horizontal line 21 centimeter, you have to leave 4.5 centimeter from left and 4.5 centimeter from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and half. Just put a dot here. Likewise here 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. So this area, this is basically 12 centimeter, which we are going to have the center building. Now from here, from this 10 centimeter, you are going to draw a line of 8.5 centimeter. 8.5 centimeter long straight line. The same way you have to copy it this side also. 8.5 centimeter, a straight line. Now after this first line, I have to leave 1 centimeter gap. And then again I have to draw a line here, and this line where I'm just pointing it here, this should be 9 centimeter long. Now I will draw another line, 9 centimeter here, and I'm going to make it a little slanting line like this. Done. Now leaving again 1 centimeter gap here as well as here. So I will draw a line of 11 centimeter now. Little slanting. I'll just have like this one, and then I'll have 2. This is done. Now the same thing you have to repeat it this side. Now I have to draw a line leaving 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter gap. From here till here 1.5 I have to draw a line, and then from 1.5 I just keep 0 on this point, and leaving this I have to draw a point for after 2.5 centimeter. The same thing I'll repeat it here. First 1.5, and then keeping this 0 as center, and then I'm having 2.5 here. Now I'll just have 8 because this line was 8.5, so I have to draw first point here. The line should be 8.5 centimeter like this. Done. Now here also the first one is 8.5. Now here I have put the dot and this side, so that line also will be 8.5 centimeter. Should be 8.5, and here also 8.5. This part is done. Now our next step is we have to close it. Close the corners, the top here, this one and this one with a straight line, horizontal lines straight. Likewise the same thing we will repeat it here, horizontal straight line. Now the next part is this building, which is this line. We are not making it little straight, it should be little slant, so that like this. Okay, now you also close this part like this, little slant, just extend it a little bit up. Okay, around 0.5 centimeter here, as well as 0.5 okay centimeter here. Okay, now I close this one end to the other like this. Okay, now I have to leave, because this line was 8.5 centimeters. So what you will do is, after 4.2 centimeter, you have to draw a dot here, line separating the first panel here like this. The same way as I told you, the next line should be little slanting like this. Okay, see, it's little slanting, this is straight. So go ahead with the same thing here. Now I will start with the next step. We have to make the window here and here, as well as these sides. So we'll start making a line. Okay, this is, you know, this is 2.5, so you have to leave a gap and you have to draw a line for 1.5 centimeter. You can just have it out here as well as here, 1.5. Okay, so the standing line should be 3.5 is here and here. So I'll just make a line 3.5. the same way I will repeat. First I will just complete this. Okay, this is 1.5, then again I will repeat it and complete 3.5. Okay, the top also we will complete like this. Okay, so this is done. Is 3.5. Now we are having 3 centimeter window. So 3 centimeter, 0 till 3 centimeter. It's here. Leaving 0.5 gap. Okay. We are making 3 centimeter line. And then we are closing the same way in a slant way. Okay, the same thing you have to copy here, the same measurement and this side. Let's see, I have done till here. It's all equal, both the sides. Now I'm taking my scale again. I'm just making a double line for this. Okay, just leaving a little bit gap. Just trying to double it. Just show you like this. One. Okay, and the other side also. First I'll make the sleeping line here. Okay, repeating the same line here. This part is done. Okay, this is the double one now. And after this I have to have one more line, just making a thin one to just make it a double like this. Okay, just go ahead with the same thin line, the same we will have here as well. Okay, now this is done. Now your next step is you have to draw a line, sleeping line, okay, which should be under this line. Okay, you have to draw it here, a sleeping line, and then after a little gap you have to retrace it with another sleeping line. See, I have done this detail the same way because I have to just have one slanting line here, one slanting line here, just make it double and make this door. The same thing we'll have it here for the center one. Start from the center, okay, of this horizontal line. You have to make a shape, the dome, okay, like this. I will start one, the same thing, but the same height from here. You have to draw the other one like this. Make a door on this sleeping line. Door. Just make one and two standing line, sleeping here as well as here. Now it's done for both the sides. Now we will just go in detail. I'm just starting. You can see this is the border, okay. I'm just making a curve line here like this, a curve. Done this much now. Now what my next step is, I just extend these pillars and effects now here as well as here, making it a double one and then a smaller one here. Done. Now the same thing, I'll just extend here this line, okay, that is near to the main door side. I have to leave a gap. I show you. See, it's almost 1 centimeter, almost 1.2 centimeter, and then I have to draw a point here to draw a line 1 centimeter here. Okay, continue. Now we'll complete it by a sleeping line and just make a curve, the topper one, and then on the top of this you have to make a dome shape like this. First make a dome and then you have to just have the pointed part. After completing this much, let's complete the center of it. Okay, now again by taking my scale here, I'm just leaving a gap around you can say 0.5 centimeter, okay, and then I am drawing a sleeping line like this pattern here, okay, like the same one which we have done and on the sides of the main entrance, like this, okay. Now retrace it on the upper part. 1, 2, 3, 5, like this. Retrace. Detail part we'll do towards the end because we have to just shade it also few areas. Now from here till here, because this is a straight line, okay, now we are making a little slanting curve like this, a curve line. This is done. Now have one more curve line like this, okay. Now between this dome and this dome, these two will go like this. I have done, okay. Now I'm just retracing it, okay. So it's done, okay. This area, what you have done, you have to draw the same pattern what we have done here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then retrace. Just make it a double one. Just again give a little bit shading. That's it. This much is enough. Now from here till here you have to make a big dome. See, I have done this much. Now shade this area, this part, okay, horizontally like this. You have to shade. I have completed this domes and everything, I'm using oil pastels. Okay, in oil pastel I'm taking white color oil pastel and my pencil. I'm just going in detail. Okay, like I have to just make a double line. Okay, just retrace it first, then take this oil pastel, just shade a little bit with the oil pastel, this much. Okay, now I'm just leaving my oil pastel. I'm taking my pencil again back, just retrace it, and then give the final tones with the help of this oil pastel and your white pencil, like this. The same thing I'm just having here. I'm just having oil pastel and my white color. Just complete the outline for the upper part as well. As here also I'm just taking oil pastel, just a little, and then for the dome also. Okay, just with the help of a pencil I have to complete the coloring and the shape of the dome. Okay, see, I have completed it. So the same way you have to complete whole drawing. Okay, now I'll just go to the dome. Okay, for the dome also I'm just using like this. Now I'm taking my pencil, look of the dome. Now complete whole drawing. After completing all the shading, okay, with the white color pencil, I have erased all the pillars from the center. Okay, just give again a light shading because I just wanted to give a touch of pastel colors. Okay, see, like this, just give the final look, and then I have to just have few bricks as well. After this, just have a line. Okay, like this. Just wanted to give a final look like this. Like this. Okay, so that it looks like brick effect. I'm just doing it like this. See, you can see, and now I'm erasing it. Okay, just a little bit so that the impression will be there, and let the outline line be here. So first I have to make a brick impression, and then I'll erase it. Just to complete the detailing part also, which is the last word, I'm doing it right now because this will give the final effect to your picture. I just do it. Just erase the little one, this sides a little bit. Okay, here I'm using a oil pastel and my pencil. So see, this is the final image of your Taj Mahal drawing. Hope you like it, and it will be easy for you to draw it. And thank you, and see you inshallah. Thank you very much.